Hey guys, it's story time. Hi guys, it's story time. Guys, it's story time. It's time for me to eat lint and tell a story. Guys, it's story time. Let me filter myself. It's story time, guys. I want to talk about what happened to me with trade 245. It's story time. I want to talk about the story, the one we've been waiting for. Why am I silent about it even today? Guys, it's story time. Hi, Mzi. Hey, Mzi. It's been a while. It's story time. I want to talk about 3245, guys. Linda ice cream is nice. Hello. Hi. I'm good, thanks, and you? Okay. You are having you are having network problems. Can you please send me a voice note? Okay, thank you. Say 245. Hi, Mzi.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
I'm good. I just thought let me go live with you while I wait for this guy. I'm actually supposed to be in a meeting right now, and the dude is late.
Um, your network is bad.
Really?
Yeah, it went and it came back.
Would it be?
I'm having chocolates.
Manando.
Hey, Stacy.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Would him analyze Nasdaq for us there? I think you're in the office.
Yeah.
Let's see Nasdaq. Then Sangane take everything. Stacy.
Who?
Oh, it means it's not. I thought maybe it's my network. Not take everything.
No, it's museum.
How's Biggs going?
Um, it's good. So far, I'm not in any position. Reason being, remember, I don't trade every day, and when I do trade, I want to trade something I'm going to hold for more than a week or a couple of days. So if I don't see something like that, everything to do with scalping, well, I leave
I'm
it to
coming back
Nasdaq.
I'm coming back on the synthetic.
Come back,
Next thing,
come back. You know, it's December. So December, it's nice to trade synthetics because we know that they don't get affected by these holidays that people are going to go to.
Yeah, that's like now. I'll see you next year. I'll start the year in a good. Even this December, I'm not that much of trading. I just made 3,000 a
Yeah.
week, and for the whole week.
Nice.
Just make money for Saturday, then I'm done.
Yeah.
Like
But
people that,
how's December treating you?
huh?
How's December treating you?
For me, I would say trading wise, I'm not excelling, but then alcohol wise, I'm excelling.
Manando, you don't drink alcohol. You and I know what you drink.
Yeah, I think I have it even now. But then I was drinking alcohol Saturday. I was fucking drunk. And when I'm drinking, I have to be. Someone has to be driving.
Why do I feel like it's a lie? You don't drink, Manando. You know
I'm
you
not.
don't drink.
Saturday I was drinking.
Mm.
This December I'm drinking. I only drink December only.
Okay. Manando, where's my birthday gift, madam?
Now you get it. Are you at Cape Town?
Am I what?
Where you at? Because last you say you're going to Cape Town. Are you back?
Oh, I came back. Yeah, I came back. I'm back.
All right. Then I'll be in Joburg in a few days, so you'll get your present.
Oh.
I would think.
What if I want an iPhone 13 and you're saying you'll get your present?
Now you'll get it. Just not
Guys,
like.
my dad is buying me an iPhone 13. I'm
What
joking.
I thought you were using a 13. I saw you like the other day holding it.
Oh no, it's not a 13. It's 11 Pro Max.
Yeah, but then you leave live. You leave large. Understand? Now I'm still on the iPhone. I'm the trader with the iPhone 8.
What? Yeah, lying. Mananda, you're using an iPhone 12. Last time, no, you're using an iPhone 13.
Like
I know.
Jaguar,
I know
Jaguar,
because the last
Jaguar
time we
said,
spoke about it.
hey, Jaguar said to me, yo, Manando, it's not
Yeah.
possible. You can't close profits with iPhone 6. You can't close. You you can't.
You
500
can't.
Yeah, but then truly speaking, you can't close 500,000 with G7. You understand?
I
But like, these days, don't be scared. Like, can you close 500K? It's not possible. Yeah?
maybe you've been broke. Maybe that 500,000 is your only money. Then you're going to buy a new phone.
Nah, you can't lose 500,000. Abu Dimzi is back. Did he request?
Let me check. Yeah, he requested. I want to talk about trade 245, guys. Today is going to be story time. You guys will hear.
Story time.
Oh.
Like, check. Trade 245, they closed my IB that I had with them. So, nah, I don't owe them any apologies. They can keep their broker. I have brokers that I can work with. I'm cool with Trade 245. But then, guys, not to say bad things, Trade 245 is not a bad broker. But then sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do for what has to happen. 'Cause, like, my IB is blocked. And I'm not even talking bad about them. I wouldn't even talk bad about them. But I'll never apologize for the things that I did or the things I said about them. They'll remain a good broker, but I'll never, I'll never take my words back. I could say fuck trade 245. Yeah. What do you wanna say?
The man in black is Stacy.
Stace, what do you wanna say about trade 245?
I wanted to talk about my experience, how they helped me, you know. Um, yeah, I'll talk about it later.
And the lawyer, are they taking you to Cape Town?
No,
I thought maybe Luana you're drinking Henny Silverborn.
No,
Actually, tell me, it's I agree you waiting silver. Now I wanna apologize. Maybe one day when they take me to Dubai and drink in a yacht, shaking my ass in the yacht, maybe I'll come and say
that was
good
Xmas.
thing.
That was Xmas. Xmas
Yo,
took me to.
yo, shout out to FX Gold. They just opened their own broker. Shout out.
Really? It's
Yeah.
FX Group and
Yeah.
DJ Cole. Yeah, shout out to them. Shout out to them. They're
Nah,
doing
DJ Coach.
He's
yeah.
doing big things. Huh?
Oh, Forex broker, killer broker, ne? Forex killer broker. Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, SDK,
Yeah, big shout
Nasdaq
out
or
to all the
something.
niggas who are up-winning brokers. We are coming. Better pay our withdrawals.
Yeah. They'll trend for bad if they don't play.
Nah, but I trust a lot of them. Let's hope black business will be a good thing,
Yeah.
Business. Let's support black business, guys. Let's support. You know what I feel like is the problem, ne? If I were to open a broker, I feel like I would say it's what do you call? It's gonna be 3 days withdrawal, because this thing of same day withdrawal, it has fucked up a lot of souls. You understand? Like, to be honest, this thing here faced, man, I would Z back
Yeah.
then. I remember I used to wait for my $30 for 3 days without having any problem. Nowadays, they can scan it the same day. But if I would draw 10,000,
Yeah.
you scan it, then I'll come to the internet saying, fuck Manando Brook. I understand. So it's just sort of like, I feel like they have to do 3 days withdrawal. Kore, they process that withdrawal. Kore, 3 days, Kore, they still processing
Yeah.
it. Kore, imagine same day with him, Z, you become greedy. Understand? So, Stacy,
Yeah.
you need to, when I really derive, I think it's like, it's derived same day.
No.
Yeah, you see, real traders comes from derive.
No,
Understand?
it's
Real
No.
not.
traders come from derive because, man, a broker will teach you patience. Understand? Like, brokers will teach you patience. So if you believe carry same day withdrawal, then you're ahead. Because only greedy, waiting for withdrawal, things like that.
Okay. I think Z wants to analyze Nasdaq while we at
Yeah,
it.
you should analyze
Prince is,
that.
Prince
Why
is
No,
would
no,
I
here.
no, I don't want to
So
analyze.
go out?
a new broker that Prince found. Let's get him on the live. You and him, Prince did
Who's
it
that?
well.
Huh?
Who's this guy?
It's Prince Nasdaq. That Prince and Network.
Where's he from?
Prince
Hey,
Network.
okay, Prince, I look up to this guy. Yo, so now I have the chance to talk to my role model, Maragar Network mate. The time I was in the city, I did pull up on this guy. He's a good guy. He even bought me food.
Guys,
The
can
old
somebody take
hour.
a screenshot of us, man?
No, I'm not at home. I was gonna do 10 lines for people.
There's no one to
Now
sell
with him,
gold,
show
ne?
us the analysis and stop selling gold.
I'm
What's
gonna
the
sell
lesson
gold
of
now.
selling?
Hey,
If
if you
I
die,
blow, I
you
blow.
die. If you die, you
I
die.
just feel like selling. It's
If I
just a feeling. If I die, I die.
if I blow, I blow is the reason some of us did school fees. Back then,
Okay, let me show you
show
guys
us some.
something. Ne? I don't know if it's gonna be clear.
I mean, Stacey, remove
So
Prince.
the way I trade, ne?
His network is like a taking.
Okay, bon, Nana, let me just tell you guys why I feel like I need to sell gold, right? According to how I trade, now I trade based on market maker
Yes, sir.
movements, right? Can you guys hear me?
Network is
My network
perfectly
fine.
fine. It's not raining on us.
Okay, check, ne? Hey, thing is now I need to hold this thing shut and then. Okay, so now I trade according to the market maker method, right? And it has highly to do with the times when you trade. It has to be specific. Of course, an ideal time to trade gold would have been at the beginning of the New York session, right? But because the setup didn't appear during the New York session, I've just been watching the market. I'm actually late in selling gold at this point, right? But there's still room for movement. So this blue box here that you guys see is the Asian session range, okay? So what I normally wait for is for the market to break outside of the Asian session range. So what I'm going to do, let me just extend it. Then you guys will have an idea of what I mean. So the Asian session range goes from between midnight and 7:30 in the morning, right? Now, what happens is during the Asian session, we have what we call like the Asian session consolidation, where the market is not really moving that much. But of course, this is gold. That movement there on its own is about, let me see how many pips, about 50 or so pips, right? So a 50 pip Asian range is an ideal, it's an ideal distance that the market can move, right? So normally I target Asian ranges, which are between at least 25 to at least 75 pips. That's an ideal range for me. So what happens is after the market breaks out of the Asian range, you see from basically after 7, the market begins to break outside of the Asian range. Now that breakout outside of the Asian range generally is when the market is now trapping people, right? So what happens is the market makers will trap people who buy, the higher level long holders. And then we also have the lower level sellers. So what happens is the market needs to trap those traders who take premature trades, right? So those guys who trade breakouts, they will trade a breakout out of the Asian consolidation, this blue box, the Asian consolidation. So those traders who bought the breakout, right? They were in the buys. Then you see how the market quickly pulls back down, creates this small double top here, this initial double top, right? And traps them inside those buys. And what did they do? They pull the market down, right? Then getting closer to the US session, they pulled right back up into that zone that they traded from before. I hope you guys are following, right? This yellow area here, they trap right inside that box again, and look at this massive drop, right? That was about, I think it was about almost 80 or something pips, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, it's about 100 pip drop in the afternoon. This is
Is it me?
Nah, it's not us.
It's them, Nick.
Yeah, I don't know the song. Come on. Away, Draco.
The network is not okay. I saw Marco is here. Let's get Marco to analyze. Marco is going to beat people dead with Nasdaq.
then what happened is, and they're not buying further than that point. So the fact that they rejected from this high means that we are now looking at a possible seller's market. And this is an M15 time frame. So I want to go to the H1. The H1, we've already got a nice bearish candle which closed, and it's almost an engulfing candle. So for me, these are reasons why I want to sell gold. And already gold is in a downtrend. So it's along the lines. It's moving along with the trend, right? So this downtrend move, this is more of a continuation pattern for me. So that's why I'm looking to sell gold. Of course, we've got that bearish close right here on the 1 hour time frame. We've got these candles which are almost the same size. So for me, it's more confirmation that I need to sell. So I'm going to be placing a sell trade here. My stop loss is going to go above the previous high, which would be a stop loss of let me see how many pips this would be. This stop loss is going to be about, let me say 60 pips, between 50 and 60 pips, somewhere in there. That's where I'm going to have my stop loss, about 50 to 60 pips, right? from the current entry, but above the high, I'm going to put it maybe about 10 pips above the high. So if I put it 10 pips above the high, let's just say 10 or so pips above the high, the stop loss would be at 1790, 1789 or not, 1790 to be exact.
Your network,
Yes, Stacey.
yo. Your network, ish.
Was it clear?
It wasn't that much clear, but then I could see and I did understand.
Hello?
I think I understood, but it kept on coming back and going. I don't know what's wrong with your network.
Yeah. Nah. Maybe I'll do another analysis some other time. Today my network is just failing me. I'm actually supposed to be in a meeting right now, and this guy was late, so I'm actually waiting for the guy so that he tells me when he's available. Then I can start my meeting. I'm supposed to start at 8 p.m. and it's almost
Alright,
half past now.
What is the meeting about? Business?
Forex psychology for free with
or psychology.
people, right?
Oh,
So I'm doing like free Forex psychology. So people just come to me and then, I give them a couple of tips on how to handle themselves in terms of the psychology of Forex. So it's just a free thing that I'm doing for whoever is interested.
Sure, awuthi.
Aware ukuthi yini song?
Hayi kubulele wena.
Yeah.
Akubulele mfana.
I think he's here. Sharp.
Hello, Stacey.
Thanks, Stacey, for letting me join.
Amando, Stacey ke crush ya ka Joe.
I don't know what to say. Thank you or
Ke network ya Manando.
yeah, ke network ya Manando.
Yeah, H. I'm back, Manando. Maybe with another account, yeah.
Another thank you, Mojo.
Abuti.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, utophula nenga mama side.
PLK oh.
I give PLK.
Oh, PTA.
Yeah, give me the rent, you know.
Oh, Midland. But the over
Yeah.
Where in Midland?
Norvik, Franklin on 8th.
Wait. When you talk about those are my areas.
Serious?
Yeah, wait, no. Okay, no, let me not be specific. Are you anywhere near Etude?
No, give me Franklin on 8th. The estate thing.
Yeah, all right then. All right.
Manando. Manando. Your thing. The comment
Add Forex meme.
Add
Forex meme
who?
is a thing. Forex meme.
Okay. I was adding.
Let me leave you guys, ne?
Leave us alone.
Forex meme.
Stacey, say let's talk about 3245.
Okay. We'll talk about 3245 soon.
What do you want to apologize?
Me? No, I don't want to apologize. I want to talk about my experience with 3245.
Yo, wait. Yeah, I'll be starting it.
I'll be back, man. There's this other person calling me. So I'll be on the live. Hey, Forex.
Is it me or somebody's having network problems? Hello, guys, am I audible? Okay, everybody just left. So, guys, story time. Let me talk about my experience with JP, not JP Markets, trade 245 then. What happened was I traded, I funded the account. Am I audible, guys? Am I audible? Okay, so guys, I funded my account. They all have network problems, guys. Mic is a bit far. I moved a bit, loud and clear. Some of you guys need to take the volume up. Guys, let's listen to Marco. Hey, the millionaire is here. Marco is here.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Ish.
Marco, hi.
Analyze for everybody quick. Before I go to Groove, I'm on my way to Groove, guys. So, ish, let
Yo,
me analyze quickly for you guys. I'm
hi,
on my way
Marco.
to Groove.
It's Tuesday. What are you doing on the grooving on
It's Champagne
Tuesday?
Tuesday. It's Champagne Tuesday, man.
Oh, you're going to pop. Marco, you are just killing the market. We have nothing to say. We apologize. Whatever we did, we apologize.
No. But let me just quickly analyze for you guys. Nah, here we go. It's as simple as this. This thing is too easy. But anyway, right. So we can all see the market, right?
Yeah.
Why did Nasdaq go higher? Simple, guys. What happened was we had a break of structure. Let me do this quick. Ne? We had a break of structure over here. Ish. Yo. Can everybody see?
Should the comments or they're just okay?
No, it's fine. Can you see here? We had a break of structure. First break of structure. This showed you that buyers were willing to buy price at a premium volume. Then we had our second break of structure. Again, right? As soon as they broke this structure, they were telling us that they were willing to buy premium. Right. What do we have now? We have an order block, right? At this level that we are about to tap into. Roughly, somewhere there. I'm doing this really quickly, but anyway, right. So we're waiting for price to tap into this order block, right? If we had to redefine it, price would probably come to somewhere over here on a 15-minute time frame, right? So why would this level hold? Because as we see previously, right, price respected this level drastically. At this level, every time price got to this level, price fell. Yeah, price fell. At this level, price fell. At this level, price fell. At this level, price fell. The only difference is when price fell over here, we broke structure.
Yeah.
Right? Which was showing us that price is now being delivered very much bearish. As soon as they came back to this level, what happened? Price was delivered bearish. Right? Until we had our double bottom. We now had a double bottom showing us that price is now being delivered bullish. How so? Because price didn't take out this low. If price took out this low, it was a liquidity takeover, and price would have then still pushed up. Right? I don't know. I've analyzed.
You have analyzed.
So,
You're done.
literally, price
That was
comes
fast.
here.
That was very fast.
Literally that easy. Price comes here. Price, we could see price fall back to here before breaking into this order block.
Yeah.
Simple as that. Again, what is this? This is about 50% of the next move. Now, obviously, why would price come into this level? Because we have unfair pricing. Where's the unfair pricing? Right over here. Let's quickly close everything, remove everything. Right. Price has not been fair from here. From here to here, we have imbalance in price. Price is not fair. So what are we looking for? We're looking for price to come down.
And mitigate.
Once mitigated, price then comes back and we then see price pushing up.
So it's impulse correction impulse.
Basically.
Yes.
Simple, guys. This thing is not difficult. I don't know why everybody's like, oh my God, it's so difficult. No, it's not difficult. You guys make it difficult.
You know what?
Simple as that, guys.
Everybody can analyze, but not everybody can enter the market and make money.
Simple as that. I mean, it's literally that simple. There's nothing more to it, guys.
Wait until they try to do what you do. Hey, you're going to see miracles. You see somebody trading a sell, right? And then holding the sell like it's going to go to that double bottom right there. Hey, yeah.
It is too easy. Hey, guys, let me quickly redefine this order block. So, guys, it's simple. Let's look at this order block. Hey, I need to leave. But anyway, yeah.
No, go enjoy your champagne. Go enjoy your champagne. Champopo.
Yeah. Last up candle. And you can see we're now tapping into this order block. Can you see that? Price is starting to be delivered. Bearish. But where are they actually coming to is the tricky part. They're coming to not miss the move, we want to look at the last place that these sellers were involved. Where is it? So over here. That's now our official order block on 15 minutes. Right? What are we looking for? We're looking for price to come in, let's say 50% of this OB, give or take, I don't know, somewhere here maybe. Right? And then if we go back to our 4-hour chart, we say chart, boom. We now know where price wants to go to. So you're probably going to see a little bit of a drop and then an impulse and then a drop. Simple, guys. Simple. SMC, smart money concept. It can't be that difficult, guys. I'm literally just using order blocks here. Supply and demand.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
No, thank you.
Simple as that, guys. Break of structure, showing you that they were willing to buy price premium. Right over there. Done.
No, thank you, Mark. Now we see how you make.
Yeah. Why would this order block hold? Because once again, we had a breaking of structure. Previously, we had a breaking of structure right over there, and we had another break of structure right over there. So this shows how powerful that level would be as this level took out two structures, right?
Yeah.
Make sense? We broke structure once, twice. So that would be a strong order block. When price gets here, price would then reject it. Simple. Simple. Done.
You know,
all right.
there's something I'm looking at right now, right? So people are like, Marco is not speaking the truth. They're busy, hating at the back. But guys, let's look at who's making money and who's not, right? If Marco was just bullshitting you guys, then he wouldn't have been able to make all these millions he's making. Let's just be honest. Sometimes you need to give credit where it's due. So stop hating and start learning.
Well said. Well said.
Like seriously.
Well said. And,
Like,
and I mean, my team wouldn't be making money either. We're killing the markets, man. We're killing the markets.
Like seriously, I don't understand. There's something wrong with people, right? It's like they're trying to start a fight between mentors. But let us look at who's making money And then who's constantly being on the internet trying to show you guys what he's capable of. And even if he does, you're saying that he's bullshitting you, but he does make that money, like literally.
But wait, where's the bullshitting coming from? Okay.
I was
People
reading
always
the
want to
comment.
force my hand. Let me show them something. Right? How did I catch this buy? Let me show you guys. Let me school you people. They never want to learn. Right. This is the last down candle. Where is it? This is the last down candle, right? Before the up move. Right? Watch this. Let me show you future price action. So y'all can see the bullshitters. Right. Let's go to a 50-minute time frame. Let's look at that last down candle.
Oh, nice.
There it is there. Let's pull that in.
So did you catch it on the retest or just the breakout candle?
No, the breakout. So as you can see over here, right? Where was the final last down candle? It was this candle. Right. Now let's go to a 5-minute time frame. Let me school you people. Last down candle. Where's that last down candle? Right over there. Right. If you had taken it at 50% of that, boom, right over there. There we go. You see? There was your entry. From there, price never once came back. Price never once came back. Once it tapped into that level, price never once came back.
Yeah.
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 Talk about bullshit. Anyway, there we go. I've proven my point. As you can see, we are not guessing this thing. We know what's happening here.
Guess the momentum.
Anyway,
Thank you very much, Marco. Enjoy. Please don't come back with hangover. We need you back in the market soon.
no stress. Let's do this,
All right.
y'all. Peace, man. Let me go groove.
you.
It's groove time.
Enjoy.
Okay, sure.
Enjoy. That was Marco, guys. Yeah, he showed us what he's good at, and yes, he is really killing that thing. Whether you like it or not, he is really killing that thing. He's not
Hello guys,
great
how are
people.
you? I'm good. Yeah, so I'm just gonna give off some few secrets today. Okay.
All right then.
Hopefully you can hear me, right?
Yes.
Right. So basically what I'm gonna talk about it's Big 75, the Nasdaq and the US 30, right?
All right then.
Right. Listen carefully, okay?
I'm busy, Kim, I'm busy.
I've been doing this for quite some time, and I want you to understand what I'm going to tell you. Okay? So I hear Marco is talking about how he caught this buy. Okay?
Wait.
According to his strategy. What?
Before you talk, I feel like your network was having a problem, but now I see it is back. You can go on.
Hopefully you can. So Marco is talking about how he caught the buy. It's very
Is it me or your voice went lower? Guys, is it me or I can't hear? I just can't hear what you're saying.
Okay, so
Can I just remove you and add you again because now your You can request again. You can request again. We we couldn't hear him, but so far Marco has showed us what he's good at and what he does on a daily basis. Um, yeah. Then let's see if there's anybody who's willing to analyze. Mr. FX means you can come back. Okay, Martin has been wanting to come to this video for a while now. Let me see. This guy who likes competing with. Hi,
Hi, how's
morning,
this
sir.
test?
What's
How's it?
up?
Good.
I'm good about you.
I'm fine. I just wanna add with what Margot was saying about this Nasdaq on 4-hour time frame, right?
Yeah.
So I just wanna say, right, we break the structure here. The price break the structure here at 16,100 here. Do you hear me?
Yeah, but I can't see your chat. I feel like we are having network problems. Yeah, we can't see what's really happening there.
Yeah, maybe my network, maybe.
Yeah, we can't see.
I see it now.
No, it's very blurry.
You see?
I think you should come back. I think you should come back. Ne? I'm just
Oh,
going to remove
also,
you. Please come back. Marco was using a fiber, guys. I'm sure he was using fiber. The way people's networks are just not adding up like that. There's only one way to kill the market: consistency, and by spotting liquidity and taking the trend lines, indicators, etc. Don't mean shit. Stacy, so thank you, Larato. Guys, I wanted to talk about trade 245, but yeah. Forex memes has come back. Let us accept him one more time and listen to what he is going to say. And then probably when Martin comes back, we can also add him to this live so that he can give us what he knows.
Hello?
Hi.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you see my screen?
No?
Guys, my network is bad. Maybe I might do it next time.
Your network is really bad. And they're saying that my
Yeah,
volume
can
is...
you?
Yeah, now we can see your screen.
Perfect. Right. So let's discuss where to actually enter buys, because what I know is that most people actually struggle with their entry levels. Okay. Most of the people can actually draw their trend lines correctly, but what they lack is what we call judgment, what actually happens at the trend line. Okay. So understand this, guys. When the market gets to your trend line, call this buy today. Okay. What we call judgment is actually waiting for the market to actually show you what it does at your. Most of the people would want to sell this level here. I hope you can see, ne?
But what you actually want to wait for is the close of the candle just below this, okay? This is your entry signal, okay? You see this candle that closed here. That is what we call an entry signal. Now, it's very important that you understand where to place your stop loss, because trading without a stop loss is like suicide, okay? So you place your stop loss right below here, okay? So if the market reverses, it won't take you out. But what you want at those trend lines is to actually see a candlestick closing outside, okay? Once you understand this part here, I promise you that you're gonna get your breakthrough through them in the markets, okay? It occurs in each and every time frame, especially on the Nasdaq and the US 30, okay? You want to wait for these kind of things here. Now, where would have your other entries been, okay? I know a lot of people don't understand what I'm saying for some reason, but let's pay close attention before I move to the VIX 75, okay? This is very easy, guys. Literally, this is very, very easy, okay? You draw your trend line, okay? You wait for the market to close above. Listen, the entry is when the market closes above, okay? That's why you enter the market. After that, you place your stop loss right below, okay? Sometimes it can take you out. But what you want to do after that is to re-enter. That's what we call judgment, okay? So if it closes up again, you go ahead to enter that buy, okay? It's very simple, guys. Very, very simple. The same thing occurs to VIX 75. It has a tendency of not retesting those trend lines as you've been taught, okay? So now let us go to the VIX 75 chart. Can you guys see my screen? Sort no, yes, no, yes. You can, right? Good. Let us go to VIX 75. You guys need to understand what's happening here. Your trend lines do work. It's just that most people don't use them correctly. Okay. Now let us draw. Let me analyze with you guys. I'm just okay. Look at this. So I don't know what time frame
What
is this,
time
but
frame is
this is where you. Yeah.
what time frame?
I'll check for you. It's the 5 minutes time frame, okay? But it occurs in each and every. Look, yeah. For now, I'm talking for the scalpers, but it occurs in each and every time frame. What I'm telling you occurs in each and every time frame. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now you're audible.
Okay. Cool. Now look at this. This is where your entry is. You wanna wait. No, not the retest. Don't do the retest thing, okay? The retest thing will waste your time when a guy will comment the retest, okay? You want to wait for the break and then close below. Once the candle closes below, that is your confirmation, okay? Then you place your stop loss right above here, okay? Now, understand this, guys. Understand this.
You hit your mic. Hit your mic. I don't know. You're closing your mic.
Okay, right now, can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Good. Guys, once the market gets into profit, what I want you to do now is to move your stop loss at break even, okay? In this sense, you have a much higher chance of actually catching the whole move, okay? Because look, once you understand, now I have nothing to lose, that's when you start trading freely, okay? But you want the market to close below, enter the market. If it goes in your favor, put your stop loss to break even, then let the market run, okay? It occurs in each and every time frame, okay? Now, there's one last strategy I want to show you guys, okay? Then I'm done, okay? This is literally the simplest one you can do on VIX 75. VIX 75 is very easy. It's just that these guys are laughing. They don't understand what I'm telling them. And once they get this right, they are done. Okay, guys. Okay. So right, let me go to the. I hope you all get this thing, okay? Let me go to US 30, okay? US30. It's just that I don't trade those things. I trade gold, okay? I'm a gold guy. But this thing is super simple. I hope you do understand what I'm saying. Good. Let us go to the US30. The very same strategy. This is what happened today. Guys, I need you to look at this. If you don't get it, then forget about it. This is an entry level here. This is an entry level. Now, what happened? This is the first touch. This is the second touch. At the third target, what happened? I didn't enter at this week, okay? Why didn't I enter at this week? I hope you guys can see my screen. Why didn't I enter at this week? Because it didn't confirm, okay? It didn't close below that line. Sorry, above that line. But immediately when it closed above the line, that's where the entry is. Now, after getting the right entry, the stop loss goes below here, okay? Then you let the market run. Once it moves in your favor, you put your thingy at break even, okay? I hope you guys do get what's going on here. If you don't, then it is what it is, fam. It is what it is. Is there any question you'd like to ask?
Guys, any questions?
Okay, no, the last strategy. Here's the last strategy, okay? Here's the last strategy. Look, VIX 75, it's sometimes it doesn't move in trend line. Guys, I've been doing this for years, okay? We have what we call an accelerating market and a decelerating market. Understand that when we talk about an accelerating market, it does trend line again. So that's why you draw your trend lines and the market never comes back. So I expect call an accelerating market. What you want to do is you want to wait for the market to close above the previous high. That's where your entry level is, okay? For example, this is where your entry level is. The close above the previous high is where your entry level is. You put your stop loss right below here, okay? You put your stop loss right below here. You're going to repeat the same thing. The close above this high, the accelerating market, okay? The close above this high, you enter the market, you let it run, then your stop loss goes right below here. Because really, if you keep on waiting for the market to approach your trend line, probably it's going to do the opposite of what you think. I hope you all understood. Is there a question you'd like to ask?
They're asking about fakeouts.
Nice. So let us talk about fakeouts, okay? Fakeouts is it's a very important concept, okay? Normally it occurs on the lower time frames, okay? Why am I saying that you should put your stop loss right below here? Is to protect yourself against fakeouts, okay? Once the market closes, guys, the important, if you get what I'm talking about, if you talk about if you understand the concept of the close of the candlesticks, you will get a breakthrough in this thing, okay? Because the concept itself will tell you when to enter the market and when to exit the market, okay? Because really, if you don't understand that, you don't know when to enter. Look, if your thingy, your market is approaching your trend line, and it's approaching your trend line at a very strong momentum, you got to understand that it will probably break, okay? Most people know that they should buy the uptrending market, but sometimes it's very, very possible that you should understand what you should sell the uptrending market. Why? If it closes below the trend line, then you sell the uptrending market. This is an uptrend, but it closed below the trend line. Now, this is where you take risks, okay? You allow yourself to actually take risks, okay? If there was going to be a fake out, then this thing was going to close back above, okay? I hope you can see what I'm talking about. It would have closed above, but it didn't close above. Your breakthrough is in understanding the close of the candlesticks, okay? I hope you all understand what I'm saying. Is there any last question you'd like to ask?
Oh, my dad, don't judge. He might be winning. Okay,
Sorry?
so you only use 5 minutes. Do you like literally?
No. I don't. Hell no. I don't use 5 minutes. I use all the time frames. Let me analyze for you in a different time frame. Okay, especially this VIX 75. This is the simplest thing ever, guys. I don't know what's going on with this thing. Okay, we'll probably go into a different time frame now, and I'll show you the very same concept that I'm talking about. Now, on the 1 hour, it's just that I don't trade it often, But this is the 1 hour time frame, okay? For swingers, people who don't want to scalp, okay? Look at this, guys. Look at this, okay? 1, 2, the close above. Listen carefully. The close above. This is where the secret is, okay? Once you get the close above, this is where you buy, okay? You buy your market, you put a stop loss right below here, okay? The stop loss is right below, okay? It goes up in your direction, you have your profits, okay? You move this, okay, I'm sorry. You move the stop loss once the market is in profit, okay? It comes and takes you out. It's fine. But next time, when you do the very same thing, it won't take you out. Understand this. This is probability game. When if you don't want to lose, then it is what it is, Bob. Okay? But guys, I'm serious here, okay? It's just the very same concept. Really, that is the secret. Okay? If you all want to understand the secret to trading, then that is the secret. Okay, let us see what happened on the previous moves. Okay, you did probably on the lower time frames you would have seen it. This trend line wouldn't have worked. Okay, it doesn't work. But if you're patient enough, the key thing here is patience. Okay, you put your trend line here, you put it here. Okay, I hope you all can see this, guys. This is the close that I'm talking about. I hope you all are not laughing there, because people I know, they always laugh when they haven't seen me post what I call Bati, a Range Rover Luma. Anyway, just to go check out my page, you'll see what I'm talking about. Right? So the close above here, I'm sorry. The close above here, this is where your entry is, and the thingy, the stop loss is right below here, okay? Very same thing. Guys, it consistently happens. I don't know. Is there any questions any question you'd like to ask? Or is it fine now?
Guys, do you have any questions, or you are okay with what Forex means to say?
Do you see questions there, Stacy? Is Manando in the building? Manando is my guy, gents. Manando is my guy.
Oh, Marco has a question. Marco, what's the question?
Please, no. Can you please bring Marco here? I want to discuss something with him, because I in his strategy is always telling people about these other blocks, whatever the blocks. But do you tell people where the entries are? Do you tell people where the entries are? Bring him here. Let us discuss this thing.
Marco,
and tell him I said he should.
Marco,
tell him I said he should visit.
Marco, you are someone.
What's he saying?
I'm not sure, but he said that he was going out the last time we spoke to him.
Okay, can you please accept him? Bring him to the live. I want to ask him some questions.
Oh, he's not here. Marco is not here.
Oh, he's not here.
Yeah.
Guys, from the other people, is there any questions you'd like to ask or something? What the heck?
Guys, Marco is out. I think Marco went out.
Okay, cool. Hopefully, guys, you understood what I told you, but I'm going to say this the last time, okay? Your breakthrough is in understanding the closes, having proper judgment when you're...
Yeah, guys.
When the market up.
Marco, please ask that question. I couldn't see Marco here. Marco, I can't see here.
It's just that these guys are laughing. They don't believe me. You guys. ask the gurus. They will tell you what I'm talking about. They know very well. Or am I lying, Stacy? Stacy, am I lying?
Oh, you know what? For me, everything works. It's just how you apply it.
You apply it, yeah.
What is the question, guys?
These guys don't believe. No question. Guys, no question. Can
Market's coming. Market's coming. Wait, market's coming.
yeah. Okay, bring Marco here, please. I'm a gold trader, by the way. I don't trade these Nasdaqs and the US30. I just know how they move.
What's
I
up,
do
man?
them at times when I'm bored.
Market maker.
What's good, Marco? What's good?
What's
happening?
Hey, Stacey's on the laughs. Yeah.
Huh? What's good, Marco?
What's happening?
I'm good, man. Yourself?
What are you trading? Hey, Cow has joined. Yeah, it's gonna be heated now.
Right. No, look. Okay, what I'm trading is actually the Nasdaq. I'm showing people the secret, man, what their mentors are failing to tell them.
Okay.
Actually, no, okay. So, according to your strategy, you said you're using the order blocks and stuff, okay?
Which work
I don't
100%.
know what.
Which work 100%.
Right. Which work 100%. Can you please show people? Can you please show people the exact entries and
but I just
the places
did.
where to set their stop losses?
But I just did.
Let's go.
With our strategy and with smart money concepts, you don't even need a stop loss. The drawdown is so little. You don't even need a stop loss.
Oh no! Wait a minute, guys. This is being overconfident. Okay, even the best in the game, they always protect themselves. We need a stop loss all the time, unless if your strategy you are claiming that it works 100%.
It does work 100%. That's why we use it.
No, guys, Stacey, is that correct? Is that correct? No, be fair, be honest, Stacey. Is that correct? Is your strategy working 100%?
Let me tell you something, right? I don't teach my students loss. That's the thing. I don't, because now of how I approach the market. So we approach the market differently. If I have to teach them a stop loss, it's because now they are asking, where should I put the stop loss? But literally, I don't.
Let's take a 5-minute order block, just like this. Hold on.
No. Okay, cool, guys. Right, Stacey, can I ask you something? Do you
Hold on, I'm not
do
done.
like?
I'm going to show you how this works. Just watch here. See, this is an order block. Can you see? Can you see that's an order block? Can you see that? You can see that, right? That's an order block.
I can't see, man.
Can you see that? That's an order block. The last down candle, that's the last down candle before the push. That took out that previous structure over there, right? So this is where it started, right? If we take that order block to 50%, look at that entry. See? Perfect entry.
In other words, how do you know that it's 50%? Are you using the Fibonacci or you just estimating by?
We're estimating, but anyway within here, you still don't get drawdown. We still don't need a stop loss. Need I say more? We still don't need a stop loss. Yeah, exactly my point. Trendline traders.
Okay.
You see, you trendline traders. Hey.
Look, man, I'm not a trendline trader. Look, Marco, let me explain something to you. I'm not a trendline trader. I use everything. I look at how the market moves, okay? That's why right now I've just given away 2 strategies, okay? Those strategies, the other one is if we have an accelerating market. If we have an accelerating market, I told them clearly that you need a close above the previous high. That close above the previous high is your confirmation of an entry. That's not trendline, okay?
Wait, someone's asking where's the break of structure. Someone's asking where's the break of structure. There's the break of structure. Can you see which candle broke the structure? Right? As price came down, right? We have this OB over here, right? But if we go to a 1-minute time frame.
Okay. But where are the people where the entries are?
I just showed you where the entries were, man. Okay, let's test it with the fib. Let's test it with the fib. So.
Okay. The Fibonacci, which ratio are you using?
Hold on, let's go to a 5-minute time frame. Hold on.
50% of the 61.
Hold on. Let's go to a 5-minute time frame. Right, let's take the fib. Right, and then from here to the tip of that candle.
That's the 61.8, man. Exactly. Like, that's a tap and a go. This is the common ratio. Guys, literally, there's no secret to this thing. It's just that the Fibonacci doesn't work on the big 75 and stuff.
Hold on, wait. There's the 50. There's the 50. There's the line. There's 61.8. So it's in between the golden zone.
I can't see, man. I can't see.
Regardless, that's where it is. It's in between the 50 and the 61.8.
That's the 61.8. Let's be, Stacey,
but there's no drawdown. What I'm saying is there's no drawdown. If you took it in this box, there's no drawdown. If you took it in over here, there's no drawdown. Nothing went below this low. Okay. They didn't sweep this low. Nothing went below that low. So even if you put a stop over here, nothing went below that low. You didn't need a stop. Got me? You understand?
Right.
Exactly.
I do get them. Then where do you put your... I really trying to tell me that you don't use a stop loss?
Yes, we don't need a stop loss. We don't need a stop loss.
Right. Okay, guys, let me tell you, if you want to be consistent in the game, or if you want to go on to be funded by prop firms, it's very important that you understand how to use your stop losses, okay? Don't go with your mentors in social media. This thing will deceive you guys. I'm telling you. Right. Especially if you're a beginner, don't ever make the mistake of not using a stop loss. That's very important. I know a lot of you want to get funded probably. So it's very important that when you go to those FTMO challenges, because like it's life-changing, believe me, okay? Especially like if you know that you want to be consistent in the market. You don't just want to make quick cash and get out. Okay, you want to do it for the long-term thing. Use a stop loss. Marcus, stop deceiving people. Tell them to use stop loss. I know you might not use it, but they should use it.
We don't need a stop loss.
Let me just tell you something, right? In the market, we are different traders, right? You prefer using a stop loss.
Okay.
As for me, I'll tell my students that, you know what, it's either I make money or I blow their account. I don't give room for stop losses.
Wait. Stacey, are you saying that you tell your students that you either make money or blow their account?
You know what? When you teach somebody to become an aggressive trader and somebody how to actually handle a big account, when you handle a big account, that's when you can talk about stop losses. But when you are handling an account whereby you are growing it from just little to big, I'm telling you, stop loss is useless. Because now you'll find that you'll be blown before even...
So basically... Yeah. So basically, if you teach students how to be aggressive traders, that means the main strategy here might be the breakouts. Breakouts are the ones which...
Let me just school you one more time, buddy. Quickly. Look here. Just school you one more time.
Well, who? School. Sorry, school who? No, man, I think you should school those guys. Me, I'm good. I'm telling them my strategy.
Now,
I'm really good,
as I've said...
In fact, I should school you.
Yo, guy. Can you see? Can you see that this order block, last down candle, broke that structure? Can we see that? What happened? Structure? We came to mitigate it. So it was the first touch. The second touch is the deadly touch. So the first touch gets liquidated by the second touch. That's why we always enter on the second touch. First touch, second touch. Second touch is the liquidity taker. And then from there, price went up. Did we ever need a stop loss? Let me
tell you something, guys.
Never.
Let me tell you something. What you don't understand is that Marco is showing you what worked. There's a lot of times whereby it doesn't show you what didn't work. Okay? Right now, he's cherry picking it. Okay? He's literally cherry picking it. He's telling you what worked. But next time it won't work like that, and it will blow your account. Okay? You told me what it's your last money. You really need it. Okay? Guys, use proper risk management. Marco is cherry picking. Marco, show us where the strategy didn't work. Did it work throughout the charts?
It just worked again. Let me show you. Let me show you one last time so I can school you again.
I want you to show me where the strategy didn't work, so that we see how much you lost. Because there's no way.
I've shown my history many times. There's a reason why. So here again, right? We can see that this candle broke that high. It was this, right? Sorry, right?
Yeah, no. Please go to that candle. Let me show them.
This down candle took out this high. Let me draw it out for you so you can understand. Baby language. Here we go. There's
No,
your
man.
break of
I
structure.
hope you're not talking about me, because I'm not.
There's your
I'm
break of
not this
structure. Just
one, guys.
listen, man. Just listen. There's your break of structure, right? And as you can see, as price broke up, took out that previous high over there. What did it come do? It came to mitigate this order block. Now, this is the third time I'm showing you that this works.
These
This
are
is the
hard
third
concepts, you
time where we
guys.
don't
You
need a
guys
stop
are
loss.
just lost.
This
Yeah, I know
third
most of
time.
y'all
This
are
is like the
lost.
third time on a 5-minute time frame. A third time. Like, yo, should I show you more? Because I can go on. I can show you many times where the order block works.
No,
It's
look,
the
I
holy
want
grail,
to
my
see
brother.
where it didn't work.
That's
Let
the
me
thing.
show you
It's
the
not,
holy
there is
grail.
no,
Yeah.
it always works. It's the way of the institutions. It's going to always
Right.
work. It's the language of the institutions.
Right,
It will
guys.
always work.
Guys, please
Yeah.
look at this, okay? Now I'm telling you the real secret here. It's okay, you can continue to use your trend lines, but understand how to have proper judgment when the market reaches the trend line, okay? Because guys, if you don't have proper judgment, you won't get a breakthrough. If you draw your trend line, for example, this trend line right here, okay? I know a lot of people would have bought here because like that is what they are taught, okay? They don't even understand how the market is moving at the current moment. But judgment, what is judgment? There are only two things to consider when the market gets here, okay? You want to wait for the market to close below or above. That is your entry signal, okay?
Yeah.
When we talk about an entry signal, we are talking about if the market closes above or it
Let
closes
me show you
below
how. Let me show you. Let me show you a
okay?
strategy.
No.
Let me show you a
Wait, Marco,
strategy
let
that
me
you can
reveal the
use so you don't get
secret.
blown
Let me
out.
reveal the secret.
No, there's no secret here.
No,
let me just show you the
these
quick
guys,
strategy that you could have
okay?
used, but you didn't use.
No,
You see this
guys.
high? Let me just quickly show you a
And
strategy
I
that you could have used. It's called the
don't need
butterfly.
it. I'm
giving
telling the
it to you
people the
for
truth.
free.
I'm telling
I'm literally giving you this butterfly strategy for
people the
free,
truth.
right? I'm literally giving you this
He knows
butterfly
what I'm
strategy
talking
for
about.
free. So,
Most probably she
Marco,
don't
please, we've been through this.
Okay.
hold
Marco,
on.
it's not worth
Right.
it. It's not worth it. Please.
Hmm?
But
Please
Stacey,
don't.
do you understand what I'm talking about?
So there we go. Look at that. Look at that. You see, you could have caught this. You see, regardless of your trend lines and your order blocks and all of that other stuff. You see, had you entered over here, see, you had to enter at the 23 level. You see over here, you didn't need a stop loss. You see over here, if you entered over here at the 23 level, look at that. You would have entered over here at the 23 level, either or, right over there. And you can see that
Marco,
we're
you
waiting for
have
price
to
to
be
go up.
look,
Where's it
you-
going? Hold on, wait.
You have
Look
to
at
be
that, look at that.
consistent.
Where's
You have
price
to choose
going?
at
It's going
least
into
2
that order
levels
block.
that you're gonna deal with. Right now you're dealing with the
Where's price
23
going to?
level, but you dealt with
Price
the
is going to
60,
that order
you dealt
block.
with
Hold
the
on,
50 Fibonacci level.
Look
Are you
here,
trading
man.
Fibonacci levels or are you trading?
I'm
What are you
showing you a
trading
strategy that
actually?
you can use.
Who?
You
Who?
need
Not
this.
me.
Okay, so look here.
Not me,
So
man. I'm
there's the
I'm good with
23
the one I'm
level.
using. I'm
There's
just
the
showing
23
people
level.
the
You see, you
truth
could have
about
caught
these
that
markets.
buy. You see, you could have caught that buy just pulling a fib.
I caught it.
Just pulling the butterfly strategy
No,
out.
no.
Just using the butterfly. You see, you could
I
have.
caught it.
You see, you could have done this, but you're using trend lines and stop losses.
Let me show you where I caught it. I caught it right here. Okay, I don't need it here, Marco. For me, it doesn't make sense. I don't need it down here. It's not my thing to have. Okay, I caught it right here, right here. The very same judgment I'm telling you guys. Do you know? Okay, let me tell them why I caught it. Let me tell them why I caught it. I caught it because of this close outside of this trend line here. That's why I caught it. Okay. Now, my stop loss was right below here. I think I've explained this a lot of times. You all understand what I'm talking about. But at the end of the day, this strategy won't work all the time. It just worked today. Okay.
My
It
strategy
just
works all
worked
the
for some
time.
reason. Marco is lying. Guys, don't listen to this guy. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, you're gonna get lost. You're gonna get lost.
Let me show
Don't
you.
listen to this
Okay,
guy.
let me show you
There's no
again. Hold
strategy.
on, let me show you again where my strategy worked again.
There's no strategy that works all the time.
Okay, watch this.
Show me.
Watch this. Let's take the
This
first.
guy's
You see,
misleading
I'm
you.
gonna teach you this thing. Look here. Had you just asked me, Marco, please teach me the butterfly strategy. You'll be making money now, man. Real
No, don't
money.
teach me
Like,
that. I
not-
don't need it to teach these guys. Don't teach me that, man. I
Let me
don't
show
need
you.
it.
Let me show you.
Teach these guys here. Guys,
Look at this.
he's
Look at this.
teaching you.
You see that high? You see that high? See that high? See that high? And then the low. That's all you need. The high, and then the low. Look
Ah,
at where price,
guys,
look at where
I
price
can't
comes
believe
to.
what's
Look
happening
at that.
here.
Price comes to there and then pushes up. You see, you could have caught the sell, but no, you're still using trend lines. People. You see, you would have entered over here.
What?
Where would you have entered? Look at
Guys,
this. You would have entered at the 23 level. Look at the sniper entry, baby. Look at that. Look at that sniper entry. Look at that sniper entry. Look at that sniper entry. Look at that. Look at that sniper entry. Look at that sniper entry at the 23
Right.
level. Look at that.
Guys.
Look at that sniper entry. Look at that. Look at that beautiful sniper entry right there. 23 level.
Marco
Boom. You would have
is
sold. Look at that.
misleading
All
you
the way to
for some
TPT
reason.
perfectly to the tip. Hold on. Let me just
He is.
let me just zoom in this for you quickly. Look at that to the T. Ish. See, now I'm drawing funny lines here. Ish. Hold on.
You guys. If you all don't believe me, then now you
to
can
the T.
you
Look at
can-
that. No, wait.
really,
Let me
guys,
look
if
at
you all
that to
don't
the
believe what I'm
T.
saying-
You could have sold. You would have had money. But no, you blew. Your stop loss was hit. Hey. Anyway.
Guy, Marco, you know what? I'm gonna send you my details, ne? I wanna show you something. I really wanna show you something. You should in fact you should visit, man. You should visit, okay? I'm gonna send you details. I wanna show you something.
Can I show you another one? Can I show you another one quickly? Just one more. One more way it works.
Show me.
Another one
me.
where it works, ne? Are you ready? Are you ready? Another one where it works.
ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, now, remember that sell last week?
Stacey, I haven't seen your analysis. How do you analyze?
Hold on, wait. I'm going to show you how to analyze this. Don't worry. Hold here. Watch this. Can you see this high? Can you see this
guys.
high? Can you see this high?
Which high?
This high over here. This high. So you can see now, we're now at this high. Can you see that high? See? All you had to do was just listen. See? Had you taken this high and this high? Watch this. Don't worry. I got you, bro. I got you. Don't worry. See? Where would you have entered?
This guy's
Would
showing
have entered at the
markets.
look at that.
Man, I've
Look at
been
that.
here for
Would have entered
years
at the
now.
23 level. Look at
I'm
that.
a
Look at that.
veteran
Look at
in
that.
this
Look at that.
game.
Look at that. Look at that.
You
Look
don't
at
know,
that.
you don't
Look at how
know.
beautifully you would have entered right there. Look at that sniper entry right there.
The thing is, we
Look
can't
at that
see
sniper
nothing.
entry
Show
right
us
there.
where
Right
you-
there, that sniper entry. Boom. TP3 hit. All of your TPs would have been hit. Money made.
He's not
But
even
no,
placing his fibs
you're
the right
blowing.
way. What's wrong with this guy?
Hey.
You're not fibs the right way, man. Placing your fibs the right way. You're misleading people. You guys. No, but now I totally don't believe you guys. I'm telling you the truth, okay? You all understand. I hope you all strategy that I showed you.
Can I show you one more? Can I show you one more? One more. Just one more. Can I show you one more? One more that you could have made money. This is the one.
No, so I'm pulling out the secrets now. Guys,
you know how much money you could have made? Oh, you could have made money, man.
Stacey, wait, Stacey, can you hear me? Can Stacey is on the phone? Right, Stacey, to tell me this one thing, okay? Since you've been so long,
hold on. Let me show you this one. Let me show you this one. Let me show you one more. Let me show you this one. Look at this one. Look at this one.
Wrong what I told these guys. Please,
it's wrong. It's wrong. Let me show you why it's wrong. Let me show you why it's wrong. Let me show you. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this.
Stacey, is it correct or wrong?
A high? Can you see that? A high, and a low. Can you see that? Watch this, guys.
This guy will mislead you, Nina. Hey.
Watch this. Can you see that high? Can you see that high? We could have even went with that previous high up there before the high even started. You see this high? See? And then where would we have entered? Look here. Where we would have entered? Would have entered the 23. As soon as they came into the 23, we would have entered. See there?
Wait. How many levels? How many levels is he
using? Look at
using?
that. Take profit number 3 perfectly. Look at that. But look at this, man. You guys don't look at this. Look at how this works. So here is your levels, right? At the 23 level, right? Here we would have pulled it. So this is the 23 level by the green, right? As soon as price came back to that 23, second touch, you would have sold. Take profit number 1.
What are you doing?
3.
What's that?
Smash. See? You don't. You see? That's why you're not
Okay, guys. Please. Okay, guys. On a serious note, please, Stacey, before we close it.
Guys, wait.
Stacey, before we close it.
Wait. I can't do this.
Stacey, right. Before we close it.
I can't.
Right. Before we close it, I need you to tell them one thing, okay? Is what I said right or wrong about the close, especially on the VIX 75? Is what I said right or wrong about the close of the candle? This close, I'm talking about this close. Guys, if you wanted to sell here, that's what people do, okay? You do the opposite of what you should do here. And how do you know what to do, which opposite to do? You look at the judgment that I've just told you about. Stacey, am I wrong?
You're wrong.
Hey, man, you're not Stacey, of course. Stacey, am I right or am I wrong?
Guys, listen, we are all
knows I'm right. Guys,
we are all three traders. We trade differently. There's no person who's wrong. There's no person who's right, right? Whatever works for all of us, that's the right way
your
to
network
go.
now. You see, that's why you're wrong. You see your network. You see your network.
Right. Stacey, what were you saying?
With me, I trade differently from what Marco is trading. You trade differently from what Marco is trading, right? We also trade differently. Looking at your strategy, we trade differently also. So what I'm going to say is that everything will work for everybody. So if trend lines are working for you, please don't change it. Do not try to show that you know.
What are the
Your KFC network.
Why do you insist that he's wrong?
No, guys, this is the secret. Okay, I'm telling you. Okay, this is what all the mentors do. If you have enough experience and you've analyzed the markets, you can clearly see the behavior that I'm talking about. I mean, like, it's visible, it's right there. Secret. Okay, I hope you can understand. Okay? That is literally the secret. Your mentors not tell you because they know that's the truth. Okay, once they tell you that, come on, guys. Some even keep the information to themselves. But I'm saying it. Why am I saying it? I'm serious here.
FX means if I had to enroll you in my class, right, you'd come back to this life and actually say that we trade differently, right? What
no,
you see.
No.
He won't come to the class. Guys, he knows it all. Don't mind him.
I don't look for lessons, okay? I think I'm well established by myself.
No, I'm not saying that I'm schooling you because there's something wrong about you. I'm just taking you to my class to see how I trade. You see, now the problem is that you do not want to understand how other people trade, right? You have seen yourself do
you know why? You know why? You know why? It's because, look,
right? I see
no. Marco's strategy, I've understood it. But I want you to show us yours. Show us yours, Stacey.
Show my strategy online. If you want to know my strategy, go to the people I've taught. They'll show you what I teach them, because I don't tell them to withhold information. I tell them if it helps you, go teach somebody else whatever that I'm teaching you. But I won't come on a live and try to prove a point and try to teach something.
Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. But I know that those who've understood, they've understood. I've made my point. And those who have eyes to see, they've definitely saw what I'm talking about. Especially those who know how to analyze by themselves. They know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay? And I hope those who need their breakthrough in this game, they eventually get it. Okay? Because like that is what I told you. That's the secret. Especially if you're doing it's always slashing your stop losses.
It's me.
That's the secret. Okay.
I was wondering.
in fact, you guys should pull up. You guys.
Over. What's happening at the network?
Birds of the same feathers flock together.
Sure, Marco. How are you, Marco? Marco, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good,
like,
bro.
Why? You guys as traders, you're not growing up, boy.
I wanted to understand the candlestick closing, man. I just wanted to understand.
Hey,
I didn't get
Forex meme left. I wanted to talk to Forex meme. Or why is he always on the lives, expressing himself, doing everything that he's doing? Like, stick to what works for you. Do it in.
and stop trying to prove a point. You know, my thing is, yes, it's working for him, but it doesn't mean that it's working for Marco or working for you, Manando. We all approach the market with different psychology.
You guys are funny with your KFC networks.
But
No,
honestly, guys,
like
let's be
Marco was
honest.
that
That guy didn't make sense. Let's be honest. That
Marco
guy
was that
didn't make sense at
I
all.
remember
I mean,
our last
I've taken
Nah,
into
like the
consideration
thing is, I was in,
Menando. I
was in
Menando,
here.
wait.
I want
When
that guy
Menando,
to.
hold on. When Menando analyzes, even though I'm not a trendline trader and I'm not a retail trader, if I want to call myself that, but at the end of the day, I understand where he's coming from. With this guy, my man, I was lost. I didn't understand
Nah, I
shit.
wanted that guy
I didn't
to
understand
analyze
anything that was
here.
happening there.
I wanted to see what is that guy doing a trend line because he's
you guys have like
disrespecting
an
trend lines.
ongoing
So
you guys have like an ongoing thing over there. Like remember last time with Manando's live, he was back at it with the same stuff, and I see he's here again with the same stuff.
His comments are killing me.
I wanted Forex Meme to analyze. I wanted to see how he does his trend lines. You understand? So it was a way of me checking if the trend lines are correct. I wanted to tell him if he's doing them wrong. Hey, yo, bro, that's not how you do things because he just has to stick to memes and stuff. That's the thing we had. We always have the same problem always because a nigga will come on the live, a nigga who, hey, let's check. Let's Stacy, Marco, Z. I'll give you a group of people. I'll take FX Gold as a company. We can take Andile from FX Gold. He's a trend line trader. If he comes here and analyzes the trend line, you'll see light. And then we have Forex Meme. Like he's making fun of trend lines. You understand? Like he's making Marco disrespect the trend lines because that's not a good way to like do what to draw trend lines. It's just placing wherever he
Hey,
wants to place.
I was looking at
But
those trend lines and I was like, yay, what's happening there?
but then Marco, if we were to take one student or one person from FX Gold, I'll take Andile. Andile, if he was to come here and start analyzing by trend lines, 90% of the people who are laughing here, they'll talk different on trend lines, you know. It's just that Meme did a meme, so we can't meme it.
By the way, I met Andile, guys. Andile is a great guy. Wow, he's down to earth. He's quiet. I've met Andile is down to earth, guys. Yo,
You must remember, I mean, I literally analyzed a chart in 5 minutes. That's how easy it was. People go, oh my gosh, smart money is so difficult, it's so confusing. It's not. I literally analyzed it and went down to a lower time frame and redefined an order block in 5 minutes. I showed you where price is going. Where is price right now? Look at where price is right now. It's exactly where I said it's going. You understand? So it's as simple as that. This whole thing of you coming on to try to prove a point to me, get Marco on the line. I wanna show him, or like, why? Why? I'm a smart money trader. You're a trend line trader, or at least you're trying to be a trend line trader. And the reason I'm laughing is because you're not showing. The content you're showing is absolute bullshit. You understand? The content you're showing is absolute bullshit. I showed something as simple as a butterfly strategy, and even that took you to everything go take profit. You understand? Even that took you to every take profit. If you had entered at the 23 level, you were never stomped out. You understand? There's just certain things that work. You understand? Which I obviously sometimes I do use. Yeah.
Ali says, how do you guys really expect a meme to be serious?
But you understand where I'm coming from. So you can't expect me to take someone like that seriously. You understand? If Menando, I've been in Menando's live many times and I've never disrespected him when he shows his analysis because I understand it. You understand? I understand it. There's nothing to disrespect. But when you're gonna come and make a joke on a live, then what must we do? I mean,
what he was doing. Can we add Forex Meme back? maybe he's like the problem with forex. Maybe it's
His
is
KFC Wi-Fi cut out, guys. Let him be.
oh, okay. Like the thing with
Mm.
when like most of the time when people are saying certain things, you just have to like listen and touch there and there. You understand? So with forex, meme, I always tell him one thing: yo, dog, stop acting as if like you know. Like sometimes when they mock trend lines as they're doing their smart money, you just learn from it. Like, yeah, and
Yeah,
so
but you must remember the only reason we market, right, is because a lot of guys don't draw them correctly. A lot of guys don't. Menando catches a lot of the moves, but a lot of the guys don't draw it correctly and they get stumped out. You understand? I feel like with Menando, yes, at times, trend lines will get smashed. It's just the way it is. But a lot of the times you'll find out that trend line trainers in general, right, get stomped out by smart money. Why? Because they're not doing things correctly. They're not drawing them correctly. You understand?
easy.
Impulse correction, impulse. They're not doing that. They're just doing one hell of a trend line and waiting for that
You know
third
what I
touch.
love about
And then that third touch gets the
You know
breakout.
what I love
And
about
then,
smart money, Stacey?
now what?
Yeah.
The one thing I love about smart money, it's most of the time is Marco who's making money. You understand? That's the smart money. Like, getting smart money, but then,
Can I
Marco
say
is the
something
one
about why is it that the mentors are the ones making money most of the time? Because
No, you must
for you
remember
to,
that when you talk about money, everybody's
what?
making money. It's just nobody's making as much as I make. That's a psychology.
okay,
That's the
facts,
psychology
exactly.
behind it.
That's the thing.
I can't teach you the psychology. I can take you through it, but I can't teach it to you. I can't put a gun to your head and say, yo, stop
Man.
fearing this fucking market and just take the damn trades. I can't do that. But I've learned how to do that. So obviously I will always make more money than a lot of other traders because of the psychology. But the setups are exactly the same. The entries are
But
exactly the same. The only difference is that
you know
I'm
what?
going in full margin, not giving a fuck, and the others are still jumping in bits and pieces like it's a buffet.
Do you know what Manando is saying? Manando is saying he likes the fact that you are the one making money. The fact is that many people who learn a strategy from anyone are not going to follow it 100%. Like what I said before, people need to learn how to follow all the rules of a strategy when you want to do something correctly. That's the reason why you find people failing, and then they say that, no, the strategy is shit. No, the strategy is not shit. What's shit is your ability to follow instructions.
I mean, guys, let's be honest. I'll take a screenshot now of my bank account.
Someone is
How
saying,
many? Hold on. What I'm saying is, even your trend line traders, how many trend line traders, or even traders in general, made almost 16 million this month, the month that just went by? I'll take a screenshot of it and I'll show you. You understand? I mean, everybody saw my withdrawals. I was making $1 million almost every day. But why? The psychology. It's all here. It doesn't matter about my setup. My setup's only, you must remember, my setup is 20%. The psychology is 80%. Pulling that trigger, realizing that, listen, it's either you die or you make money. You understand? I don't use the stop loss. Reason for that is because I believe in my setup. I've analyzed, I've acknowledged my setup. I now believe in my setup, right? And my psychology now is at that point where I believe that I'm like a god. This market is not going to take me out. And
Exactly.
that's where you need to be, where you're like, you know what? This market is not, I'm not going into a market to lose money. Hence, I hardly lose money. I'm not going into a market to lose money. I'm going into a market to make money. This is like a business. People don't understand that. You need to take trading like a business. It's a business. Every day we're doing the same thing. We're going out to make money. No business goes out there to lose money. We go out there to make money. When you get that, that's when you'll start making money. But if you're just going to go in there and be like, I don't know if I'm going to win, or I don't know if I'm gonna lose, or maybe my setup maybe is going to kill you, maybe isn't going to work. It needs to be, I'm going in this market to make money. That is it. That is priority. I'm going into this market to make money.
Marco.
It doesn't matter. Sorry, bro. It doesn't matter, right? How I've analyzed or whether I feel it's correct or not. I'm going in this market because I want money. This is my business. I'm going into the market to make money. I'm selling Nasdaq. I'm buying Nasdaq. That is the business. I'm going into this market to make money. I'm not going into the market to lose money. I'm going into the market to make money. And that is here all the time. When I go into the market, I'm going in to make money. So why wouldn't my analyst be correct? My analyst would be to the fucking T. Why? Because I'm going in to make money. Yeah.
Can you break the Nasdaq? Nasdaq A, we took 2K to 270K in a day.
Well, if I really wanted to, I'd need to get the right entry. But I feel like anybody could do it. You understand? I feel like anybody could do it if they had the psychology. That's all it takes. It takes the right entry and having that faith in your setup to say, listen, I'm going to take it from here to here. I'm not going to let the market scare me. You understand? I'm not going to let the market scare me. I'm going to take it from here to here. This is my setup. I'm taking it from this level to that level, from this order block to that order block, right? And I know that price isn't going to come below this level because we've got institutions at this level and they wouldn't want to sweep themselves out of their orders. Well, not yet. So we know that they're going to bounce just below that, or they might scare the buyers and come really close, but not tap into that as yet. And that's when we call it mitigation. We call it when they just come in, they're scaring everybody, and everybody's fearing that, oh my gosh, the market's going to start falling, but it doesn't. It mitigates, right? So that's when now they are mitigating out of their positions to go even higher. Why would I get out? They are mitigating to go higher. Why the hell would I get out? I'd enter more trades. Why would I go high? Why would I get out? I would enter more trades because they have mitigated an order block, right? Which means that they've taken their negatives to take into positive. They've taken what was in a negative, came down, picked them up, and now they've turned them into positive orders. They have turned them into buy orders. They were in a negative as buy orders, came down to collect them, push them up. Why would I get out? They are pushing orders up. They are pushing price up. Price is becoming bullish. Why would I get out? That's all here. That's what you need to learn. Stop fearing the market. Otherwise, you won't make money.
I think you've got to have that I have not to lose type of mindset in order for you to make immense money in the market.
But
Z. With people, what I've realized is that the fear of losing is just catching up with their psychology, because the minute you think bad about yourself, you do bad, right? It's more of when you think
Can I tell you one thing? Like what I was telling this guy previously, I was telling him, if you are going to deposit money into the market, don't deposit money that's going to affect your day-to-day living. If you deposit, let's say 10% of your what you have as capital, then you've got that to lose like 10 times over. So if you deposit what you're not afraid to lose, then you can do anything with that type of money. But if you're going to deposit money that's going to cause you to fear placing one trade, then best believe you're going to fail, or you're not going to make enough money at that. That's what I believe.
You know what's the problem, Zine? It's easy to say something. It's very, very easy. Like right now, Marco can explain psychology to us. I have my last 5K. Marco can blow 5K now and fund it right now. There's someone out there who, if he blows 5K, he has to wait for next month. You understand?
That's what I'm saying.
Wait, and then you won't adapt to that. You understand? So
but you see, that's why in the mentorship, but that's why, Manando, you've seen it in the mentorship. How many of my students take 100 Rand to 1,000 Rand? They need to learn that.
Guys, can one of you guys go live so that we join that live?
Yeah, Marco, go live.
No,
Marco.
I need to go group.
Guys, I'm sorry to cut this short. We'll do this again tomorrow. I think what we must do also is to talk about psychology more rather than the charts more, because now people don't understand the kind of emotions that we go through when we open a trade and also about to close a trade. Sometimes you go back and look at it and just be reassured that, you know what, the trade is going my way. And people need to understand
Manando,
that
people
process.
are saying, Manando, did you not see me? Who have you ever seen make more money than me? Or even Stacy, who have you seen make more money than me? Like real money, where I show you money.
I don't know,
Okay,
maybe
based on
Josh.
that, I wouldn't say I've seen anyone based on that. I've seen people
You
who
haven't seen
claim
anyone.
to be making a lot of money, but we don't know whether it's real or not. You know, I won't
Right.
name names,
Now,
but you know
I
what.
show that it's real. I show that it's real. Show me
Yeah.
someone who shows that it's real.
Yeah.
Show me someone that shows all those millions being made and then withdraws those same millions that he just showed. Show it. Show me someone who can transfer 35 million to a Swiss account. I did it live. Show me someone who can buy 15 million in property. I did it live. Show me someone who does 10,000 in property. I did that live too. You understand? So all these guys who are saying, yeah, but this person has this and that person has this. Yes, but where's that money coming from? Show us a person who can actually say, listen, here's the money, here's the withdrawal.
Yeah.
I show that. You understand? I show that. Why? Why do I show that? Because I feel like it's motivation. It's not me showing off. It's motivation to say, listen, guys, this is
It's
real.
possible.
I'm doing it. You can do it. I'm doing it. I'm not showing off. I'm doing it. You can do it. I'm taking 25,000 to 4 million. I did it. I showed it. A real live account. The withdrawals. Everything after that. Everything that came after that, I showed it to show you, listen, guys, I can take 25,000 Rand to 4 million Rand. I'm sure one of you guys can do it too. It's not impossible. That's what I'm trying to show everybody. This is not impossible. This is not impossible. You can do it.
So with me, well, it's a different story altogether, right? Because what I'm trying to show out there is that you don't literally need like the 10,000 to make money. You could take your 200.
Guys, these guys are talking about Q banks. We're talking about people in South Africa.
It's local, yeah.
Yeah. No, but me, I'm on another tip. I'm not about leaving people behind. I want people to understand that 200 Rand can make a difference in the market if they understand what they are doing and if they're confident in their trading, right? Because now you find people saying, well, I don't have like 25,000 like Marco. But when you have that 25,000, if you can't handle that 200 Rand, what are you going to do to the 25,000? You're literally going to blow it.
Exactly. Now, me and Stacy have taken 100 Rand. No, wait, was it 100? 100 Rand to 100 Rand to 1,000. No, 100 Rand to 10,000. It's live on my wall. I've taken 100 Rand to 10,000. I took 100 Rand to 10,000 live. Did the withdrawal, everything, to show you that it was possible.
You were on a, I think it was a contest with somebody, and you took like little money to so much money in no time, and everybody was like, yo, Marco is the bomb. So now where is that mentality now when Marco is showing what he's capable of?
Yeah.
Marco wants,
I think you guys need to do that more. Show people how possible it is to take very little money and grow it into something.
I've taken live trades on a live, I don't know how many times. I've even had guys make money on a live where we enter together and we just kill it. I've done it many times. I say, guys, listen, we're going to buy in 5 minutes, and we buy.
Another thing, I don't care who makes money more than me, right? The thing I care about is me being consistent in the market so that I can survive and do my own thing. So if you're going to come here and say, no, Marco, Josh is making money more than you. You are the one who's having a problem because you're not making money more than Marco, right? If you're going to say no, Stacy, Z is making money more than you. Okay, he is, but I'm also making money. Are you making money? Another thing is
My
that
question,
people.
no wait, my question also is, where are these guys making money from? Do you see me showing off signals? Do you see me showing off mentorship? I don't advertise that. I make money from the market. These guys
Yeah.
have signals and flyers, and these guys are IBs for 100,000 fucking brokers. Don't tell me about that. Tell me about someone who's making money from a market, showing a withdrawal, showing the evidence that this was a real trade and not a demo. Show me that guy. Show me that guy. I'm that guy. Show me that guy. I want to see someone like me. Show me that guy. Stacy's done it. I've done it. Show me those people. I've never seen a withdrawal from you guys who are mentioning names here. Never. I've never seen a withdrawal. All you see is cars and guys to hire out cars, to buy cars with IB money. That bullshit is too easy. Show me someone who can trade and make money.
Anyone that the last time somebody called me a scam, right? This Red Billion guy stole my screenshot of me moving $38 to about 11.
I remember that.
11K, right? And then that
I
guy
had so many people on Facebook that tried to steal my shit.
you know what? Show us your withdrawal. You know, as soon as I withdrew the money. I went and bought a car cash. You know, I wanted to show that guy that, you know what, even if you come here and disrespect me because you are driving Mercedes-Benz, it's not that I can't afford one. I just don't want one. Right? I feel like my life where it is at the moment, I can't really have a Mercedes-Benz. I can only afford whatever that I have there. And people don't understand that sometimes it's not about us buying the nicest cars, the nicest houses. Maybe sometimes we have a bigger dream rather than having that car. Maybe that car is not my dream at the moment. My dream at the moment is to collect money, invest the money, have something going on apart from trading.
Let's make it simple, right?
That's what I'm
People
saying.
need to stay in their lane. People need to stay in their lane. That's why we have so many scammers, because everybody wants to drive an M4, everybody wants to drive a Range Rover, and because they can't make it from the market, then they feel they have to scam people somehow, steal screenshots. I've seen people stealing both of your screenshots and posting them because they cannot stay in their lane. Go and buy a Polo.
I've had so many people steal my screenshots. I'm even over it.
Just buy a Polo. Then you will get to the work life and never get there.
You understand? But what I'm saying is, you can't mention guys like Don Gatti. You can't mention these guys. These guys sell robots. They don't trade. How do we know? Show me someone who can show me that they trade. They're not trading demo. Nobody can do it. Stacy does it. Menando does it. I do it. Show me someone who doesn't trade demo and you can prove they're not showing demo.
Okay, let me tell you about
J Money has never shown a withdrawal.
Do you know what other people are doing?
Never.
They're trading prop firms. And because a prop firm doesn't have a real sign, that's why they cannot show that they're trading an account that'll actually pay.
100%. 100%. 100%. Most of these guys are trading demos.
Yeah.
To get in clients, most of these people are trading demos. And that's why I always challenge these people. I'm like, okay, cool. If you're not a demo trader, prove it to me. One withdrawal. One withdrawal. Remember, did I not challenge you, Stacy?
No, you haven't challenged me.
No, I'm saying, did I not challenge you to show withdrawal?
Oh, yes, you have. You have.
And what did you do?
I ended up doing it. And I showed it.
Exactly.
And
after that, I was done with you. I was like, Stacy's the real deal.
Yeah.
Right? Menando, did I not challenge you to show a withdrawal? Menando showed a withdrawal 2, 3, 4 times. Then I was like, you know what? This is the real deal. Don't tell me about people. Show me that these people are making money from the market. Because being an IB is too easy. You know how many guys, you know how many brokers hit me up and come and go like, Marco, listen, we can give you a better deal than this broker, or we can give you a better deal than this broker, or this. I could be with 40 damn brokers making 10,000 from each person. Can I not afford a car? Of course I can. But am I a trader is the question. Am I a trader? No, I'm not. I'm living off signals. I'm living off mentorship. I'm not living off the market. What happens when, you see, what happens when you lose your Instagram? What happens when
Yo,
someone hacks your Instagram?
You
You're
get
I,
broke.
I'll be more than happy, guys. If I lose my
then what?
Instagram, I
You
don't
get
know
broke.
one thing, Marco, right?
Then what?
Ever since my Instagram got a lot of people, I've realized that people are getting scammed in my name. And at some point, I'm like, but you people are gullible. Did you hear that I have an app whereby you can contact me on my own app, not Instagram? And people go like, no, but when I went to Telegram, I thought it was you. Now I understand that people are very gullible, that now if I literally leave Instagram, it's going to be a mess.
But that's the thing. That's why I say, let Instagram disappear. Let's see who makes money. Let's
Yeah.
see the real trade.
Yeah, I
You
don't feel
understand? Let's see the real traders.
This is your problem. You haven't said anything, MK.
I'm just listening to you guys. How are you guys?
I'm so
Good.
good.
Good,
But
man.
my
Good.
battery's
How's
about
it, Marco?
to die. Can we do this again tomorrow? Can
All
we
right, we'll do it again tomorrow.
tomorrow?
Before your battery
Yeah, we
dies
can
or
do
you
it. Let's
go,
do it,
let's at least
let's
hear
do it
what he
again
has to
tomorrow.
say.
No,
Let's do it again
you can.
tomorrow. I'm out.
All right. Thank you, Marco. MK, you can talk to us before we go.
We'll discuss everything tomorrow. Everything is sorted. But you guys are always arguing about one thing in the market. What's going on?
You know, with me, right? I haven't been live in the longest time, right? And every time I come live, I see a pattern of people having to mention things to talk about. And on things to talk about, it's always somebody saying, what do you think of this mentor? What do you think about this one? It's always the very
But sis, but didn't you see that this guy was looking for strategies?
But you know what I'm thinking? I don't like it when people are dragging other people's names on a live while they are not on the live even. Right?
Exactly.
They'll
That's
tell
not
you
good.
that somebody's doing better than you. But you are actually doing better than most of the people who are there commenting. Right? And then I'll ask myself,
That guy was fighting
why
Marco.
are you fighting that I'm doing better than you? Why are you fighting? Why are you not grabbing your own piece of the pie, make money, and then go?
Do you know what the
What I
problem
know
is?
is we are all different traders. As you've mentioned in the video, we are all different traders.
We are all,
What he trades is his business. What Marco trades is Marco's business. You understand?
yeah.
At the end of the day, we are all making money. So what's the issue behind this?
You know what the
So
problem
that's
is?
why I've discerned. I've noticed that this guy is trying to be tricky with Marco. He was in fact looking for Marco's strategy. And he came and even asked you for your strategy and you refused. You get
Do
it?
you know what the problem
So
is?
we know this kind of guys.
When somebody comes
This
on
is
the
bad.
live,
It's not gonna end in the game. The fight is not gonna end in the game if we continue like this.
Yeah.
We shouldn't be giving attention to things like this. We shouldn't be arguing about this at all.
you know what the
It's
problem?
all about empowering each other in this game.
You know what the problem is,
You
man?
get it?
When somebody comes on live, man,
Yeah.
and then in the comments, you check the comments, people are throwing hate, and then somebody will say, no, I've got a better strategy, and then you put them on live. What they're basically doing is trying to get clients, right? Because for me, okay, let's just compare. I have, let's say, less
Hey, yo,
followings than
Stacey.
Stacy or Marco and you, right? Now, because I have less followers, if I start speaking stuff and throwing hate, and then maybe I convince even 5 people or 2 people, I'm going to get 2 clients out of it. Me throwing hate at you is going to give me clients. But the fact is, people are not making money from the market. They're making money from clients. And instead of fighting the market, we are fighting each other. And I don't get it, man. One thing that I desire is to see South Africa having united traders, you know, people
Z.
taking a lot of money from the market, not people taking money from people. I don't
Z.
get it. Like, there's 6.6
You're
trillion
speaking facts, man. These are facts.
That's the
gain.
thing.
6
Like, I
trillion,
want you
but you
guys
want
to
to
tell me,
3,000.
tell me any trader that you know in SA who have shown you a withdrawal of 500,000 straight from like the dashboard. It's number 1. I need you guys to tell me. I'll go to number 2.
Marco.
Anyone that you know. Okay, number 2, trader that shown 35 million on live.
Marco.
Trader who took 10 USD to 10,000 USD.
I know. Yeah, 20. Is it $15 to 11,000? Stacy, we know them.
So like guys, you can't
Stacy.
take credits for from the people. You understand?
Exactly.
It belongs to the people. Like hate won't help, dog. Like for me to chill here and say Marco is the best, man. Like me and Marco are always fighting, but then I can't take the fact that Marco is the best. Like, do you get that?
You can't fight
Like,
it.
me
You
and
can't fight
me,
it.
me and Marco, man, we're always fighting based on our strategies and shit. But then I will never take the fact that Marco is better, Marco is doing good, you know. Niggas will hate, and hate won't take us anywhere. I see people saying, shut up when I'm Anando. Marco has done what other people can't do, you understand? So you
Exactly.
just have to be inspired. I give Nasdaq Ape the credits. He's my boy. I'm
Yeah,
always
I
with him. I tell you,
yo,
boy, I'm
yo.
inspired by what you did. I was with him Saturday at Sanini Hotel. I was like, boy, I'm proud of what you did. How did you
I
do it? You
know.
know, sometimes to be the little person, it helps. Like go to
Yeah.
those who you know they go. Like me chilling
Yeah.
with Nasdaq Ape, he just tells me, hey man, I'm the name. Let's so. You can try
Yeah.
that on your own. You understand? You can do it.
The fact is that
Like I
we
see
need
this
to give
nigga
credit who hate doesn't pay.
extreme forex.
You
Extreme
know, you
forex
said
is
something very
like
much
this guy.
profound in this.
Umanando, Utanda, whatever. Nigga, you're a fucking hater. Let me tell you something, ne? To be honest, extreme forex trader is a hater. Why are you hating on someone who's a millionaire, bitches, nigga? Like,
You should instead learn from them.
nah, problem they think of.
You should instead
Man,
ask for advice from them.
check, my man. Me and Marco are always fighting. You get what I'm saying? But then I'll never say things about Marco because Marco is a real legend. Marco is the best trader. Marco is this. Stacey is the best female trader. I give them the credits because they deserve them. Like, I don't want anybody to say Manado is the best. I haven't done anything that can shake the game. You understand?
I
Like,
think have done a lot. Don't talk like that.
You've done it.
Marco did.
Done
You
a lot.
understand? Marco did.
We
Stacey
have done
did.
a lot.
Abe did. Like, so we
Manando,
have
let
to
me
give
ask
credits where they're needed.
Manando, let me ask you one question there.
Yeah.
Tell me which trader gives his mom 10K every month.
I'm telling you, Manando.
No,
That's
that's
That's Manando.
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? So let the people hate. Let the people hate. We know what you do. We know what you're capable of. So the hate doesn't pay.
Tell me which trader, ne? Tell me which trader makes 100,000 at the beginning of the month and then leaves trading altogether. Is like, I'm fine. I'll see it next month. Tell me. At the beginning, I'm just like, you know what? I'm fine for the rest of the month. I'm fine. I'll see it next month.
I think that's
There's nobody
Manando.
like Manando. He has this thing. I don't know whether to call it. I don't know what to call it. It's
It's
when they
called
say you're
discipline.
straight, you're like this. Yeah, it's discipline. You're like this. You stick to what you know. If you make this much a month, you're like, you know what? I'm done for a month. I'll see it next month. And then you continue with your
Discipline is
life like
key.
nothing is happening.
Discipline is key. I don't trade every day. Discipline is key because I know the
Yeah.
market, how it goes. If I make
Hey,
10K, and I think that 10K will make me run for 2 weeks, I'm good, you know. I don't trade
yeah.
based Instagram. Okay. If you can check, people who trade based on Instagram. Nasdaq wasn't loud. Nasdaq came to the game. Everyone is trading Nasdaq. People are calling themselves Nasdaq. US30 came. People are calling themselves US30. German 30. It's like when people are trading the trend, you understand, Stacey? Like,
Yeah.
I'm being realistic. Okay, na US30. Hey, I'm Z underscore US30. You understand? Check. I'm Z underscore VIX7. Like these things, guys. Like we work for the name. But Stacey, if I wake up and I see Stacey underscore VIX75 or whatever, or Stacey derived, she deserves it. You understand? Like or I wake up and I see with Team Z, like you beat the market makers. Like we just have to give credits to certain people. Like one and with Team Z. You're good at the market makers strategy. Marco is good at the smart money. Stacy is the queen of small accounts. I do what I do. If we were to sit together and Abutu, our guy here, MK is good at certain things. We chill together. We trade as a group. We highlight each other's mistake. We can become the best. You understand? Like that's unity. Because there's some things I know that you guys
True.
don't know. There's some things Stacy knows we don't know. There's some things MK know, but with him Z, you know we don't know. You remember, dog? We used to do Zoom sessions. But with him Z will teach us.
Yep.
And like the people don't know. People think we just came and say we are forex traders. I've learned from Z. I've learned from Stacy. I've learned from Prince. Stylish Keys was there. Few people like we come far. Like
Chad King was there.
But
Chad
tell me
King
what
was
happened to
there.
that group? Because like we started and then we had like 1 or 2 sessions and then that was it.
It deteriorated with the time. I think
Like it was pride of the mentors in there because it was that
it
mentality.
was quite good mentors. We never had heavy names inside of that group. So I think, you know, sometimes
there was Stylish Keys, there was Dr. Martin, there was Steven Nasdaq from Namibia, Chad King, there were Prince Nasdaq, there were some guys from FX Gold. Like I feel like people started leaving. There was Mr. GBP, JPY. I think he also left. Now I was like,
You know,
cool.
I think maybe people thought, oh, these guys want our strategies, Mahala, and what. Now that's the problem that I have with people, ego. The fact that, like, yeah, fine, you've made a lot of money. It's not that people want your strategy.